Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can make your voiceover laugh in ElevenLabs. So it's really straightforward and easy. What you will have to do is, of course, log into your ElevenLabs, and once you've logged in, you will just have to go to text to speech. And once you're here, you will just have uh, to add the bracket. And then what you will have to do is you will enter laughing and then another bracket, of course. And then after that, you will just have to select your preferred voice. So for example, I want this voice right here. And then now you will just have to enter your text or paste a text if you want. So it really depends on you. And once you're satisfied with your text, with your voice, and with your emotion and all that stuff, so you will just have to click generate speech and wait for it to load.
Hello, ElevenLabs.
And as you can see, it worked. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you're satisfied, just click this download button right here and it will automatically save. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.